Welcome back to another new video. Sandvik LawGuru welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing the guidelines to be followed before arresting a judicial officer. In the last video we have discussed section 41 that says when police may arrest any person without warrant. So in this video we will discuss the guidelines or the rules to be followed before arresting a judicial officer. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get CRPC related videos regularly. So let's start this video. First, judicial officer should be arrested for any offence under intimation to district judge or high court as the case may be. Any judicial officer should be arrested for any offence he has committed under intimation or communication to the district judge or high court, judge of the high court or chief justice of the concerned high court as the case may be, depends on the case. Second point, in the case of necessity of immediate arrest, in case of immediate arrest of a judicial officer, only a technical or formal arrest may be effected. Only a formal arrest may be effected. No, formal procedure of arrest may be effected. Third point, the fact of such arrest should be immediately communicated to the district and session judge of the concerned district and chief justice of high court. It says the fact of such arrest, the fact of arrest of the judicial officer should be immediately communicated to the district and session judge of the concerned district. In the case of West Bengal, it may be Purulia, Asansol, Alipur, Howrah, Siliguri, etc. concerned district. Fact should be communicated to the district and session judge of these type of concerned district and the chief justice of high court of the concerned state. If the judicial officer is of Calcutta, is under the Calcutta High Court, then chief justice of Calcutta High Court. If it is Bombay, then Bombay High Court. If it is Patna, then Patna High Court, like this. D. Judicial officers so arrested shall not be taken to a police station without the prior order or direction of the district and session judge of the concerned district, if available. If the district and session judge of the concerned district is available, then in that case, if that particular district judge or session judge has given order or directions that the judicial officer who has committed an offence shall be arrested and taken to police station, then police has the power. But if there is no direction or order by the district and session judge of the concerned district, police officer shall not take the judicial officer to the police station. Immediate facilities shall be provided to judicial officer for communication with his family members, legal advisors and judicial officers including district and session judge before arresting the judicial officers, or when the judicial officer knows that he will be arrested for any offense that he has committed, then immediate facilities shall be provided, like communication with his family members so that he can communicate and tell about his arrest to his family members and etc. Communicate to legal advisors for advice about his arrest, and judicial officers, other judicial officers including the district and session judge. Next, no statement of a judicial officer who is under arrest. No statement of a judicial officer who is under arrest shall be recorded, nor any panchanama. Panchanama kya hai? What is panchanama? A record of witness testimony, usually prepared by the police during the investigation of a crime or after a death. Nor any panchanama be drawn up, nor any medical test be conducted. No medical test should be conducted except in the case when the legal advisor is present or any judicial officer is present there, or another judicial officer of equal or higher rank, if available, is present there. And ordinarily there should not be handcuffing of a judicial officer. There is a case law, Delhi Judicial Service Association versus State, AIR 1991 SC 2176. So these are all the procedure or the guidelines to be followed before arresting a judicial officer. I hope this video is informative to you all. If you like this video, press the like button, share it, subscribe for more such videos, and if you have any doubt, please do comment. For then, stay safe. Thank you.